Welcome to Casta, Lost in Plain Sight. Today you're going to see 5 paintings. 5 paintings that I found in the stores downstairs in 2009. These paintings are one of the first form of racial classifications found in pictorial forms. They've been in our museum stores for 170 years. Back then, little was known about these paintings. We didn't know where they came from. We didn't know what they meant. We didn't know the importance that they had on society today. I don't want to give you too much information on these paintings right now. I want you to look at them the way I saw them when I first came about them. These paintings were presented to the museum by Dr. Joseph Noble, one of our previous Lord Mayors, in 1852. We know that he travelled to Malaga quite often, but we don't know whether that was where he got the paintings from or whether he purchased them from in the UK. So we are on an investigation. We are trying to find out more about these paintings. We know they've been pretty unloved over the past few years. We want to love them. We want to bring them back to life. They've had some conservation training done on them over time that needs to be rectified. So we will be bringing those back to life and presenting them to you in a later exhibition that will come along in August 2023, where we will tell you their full story in all their glory. I want you as an audience to be able to just look, see, observe, and tell us what you want to find out. Understand it from your perspective. See if you see what I saw. So enjoy, give us your responses and let us know more.